All right, so you're probably watching this video because you landed here at duallywheels.com. Thank you for stopping to watch this video. This video is particularly to talk about the MTX wheel that you are looking at right now and the accessories that are optional over on the right-hand side of your screen. So the wheels are going to come out of the box with this 14 millimeter nut and bolt. This actually comes through the back of the wheel and bolts in place. It already comes that way out of the box. Or if you receive a wheel and tire package, it will show up like that. Also, every package is going to come with this bullet cap. They mount right here to the front of this 14 millimeter nut. It's going to come with 40 that are going to install on this wide 10 on 285 pattern. Again, no adapter, no spacer here for this wheel. It just has the semi look. Okay. Now, if you want to go a step further, all of that stuff, like I just explained to you, is already in the box. But if you want to go a step further, we do have black 2.5-inch long spikes that are available. You can see the threads there. It will go here. You'll remove the 14 millimeter nut and thread this onto the front there. Okay, so you got the option for a spike, or you have the bullets right out of the box. So since we're here, we're on this video, I figure I'd show you this package that's leaving today. This is a 22-inch package on a 285/55/22. This is for a 2026 Ford F450. It already has the factory tire pressure sensors installed by Schrader, ready to go. We are mounting and balancing these, or have, and they are leaving out the door to New York. So if you're buying a wheel and tire package, you can expect it to come like this. If you have any other questions, you can call us at 888-505-0987.